All right, today I'll be doing a review of this golf brush from Mile High Life. As you can see, it easily clips to the golf bag, and it's nice and extendable too, so you can reach out to pull your clubs. I really like the way that it clips on. So this part here, it's plastic, but you'll clip it on, and then you'll be able to hook that back in. So it's really not going anywhere. It has 3 different parts. So this part is really good for water. So if you had like a wet, I'll put some water on the club right here, and we're going to clean this wedge off. So, you know, that's great. You can see it's cleaning the face off. And the face is going to get a lot cleaner. This side is really to get into the bristles. So if you have a lot of grass in the bristles, this club needs a good scrubbing. And then this side is going to be to, you know, clean out the grooves one by one. So you can see there a good amount of dirt did come off. If I had a towel, I could really give this thing a good scrub. But yeah, overall, it's a good brush to have. You know, nice to be able to take care of your clubs, keep them nice and clean. That's a review.